Hi guys, welcome to another vegan travel vlog. Today you are coming with us on our second day of our vegan group trip that we hosted in Mexico City in May. And before we start, we are doing another vegan group tour, very similar to this one in Mexico City again in January. So if you want to come to Mexico City, now is the time to book. Why? Because we are having a special Black Friday week discount. We're offering $150 off of the trip, guys, if you book this week using the code Black Friday. This is the biggest discount we've had and the sale ends on December 1st. So do not miss out. Now is the time to book. This trip is going to be full of delicious vegan food, amazing excursions. You'll also get a local guide that'll be with you for the entire trip. And I'm telling you, it's going to be so fun. So make sure you book now using the link below and take advantage of that discount. Now back to your video. Morning. Say hi.
Hi.
Morning. How's it going? Yay. It's gonna be a fun day. Hi. Yay. Look at you, fashionable. Woo. Morning. Woo, woo.
After the hotel, the first block to the left, and then you can walk all around.
Alright, we have made it to Xochimilco. We're about to go on one of the boats, but for now we are watching this performance. It's so good. The weather is literal perfection, and then these guys are going to put on a little performance for us. Yes! Woo! Woo!
This is a very important tradition.
Oh.
For the flyers of Papantla.
Cannot be safe.
There is around each one.
I just feel like I would have tied myself before getting up there.
That's not the traditional way.
I know. It's a safe way.
It's a safe way.
I like it safe.
Okay, now, oh my god, what are they gonna do?
Now they tie themselves.
That's insane.
Still playing music.
Woo! That was amazing.
Yeah.
I don't know what we just watched. That was a traditional dance.
Yeah. I've seen it on TV, but I've never seen it live. It's
Yeah.
like, wow.
We were very impressed.
Yes.
Yeah. At first we were like, what are they doing? They were climbing up the ladder and then just tying themselves with the rope and then just
Came down.
yeah, that was
The guy
amazing.
Was, like, laying upside
Yeah,
down.
incredible. So we are in Xochimilco, about to get on one of these boats. Let's have a look here. Oh, there's a doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, cutie. Just chilling. Oh, just having a nice day. Oh, nice. Hola.
Nice to meet
Thank you. Oh.
Have a seat. This one. This is your board.
The toxic one.
Nice to meet you.
A doggy joined us. Oh my gosh, so cute. Hi, cutie. So much better.
¿Es una hora o dos?
Oh, I love him.
Igualmente.
Okay. You want to say hi to everybody else? Oh.
Que cuando ella baila cumbia y el que la ve se enamora. Yo tengo una yaquecita que quise mucho en Sonora. Que cuando ella baila cumbia y el que la ve se enamora.
¿Van a querer
It's
algún
corn.
elote?
Que no baile lo vamos a quitar a la pared. El baracho loco quiere bailar, el baracho loco quiere bailar. Guerrero, mi perreo, quiere bailar el mariachi, quiere bailar el mariachi. Perreo, mi perreo, mueve la pom pom pa, mueve la pom pom pa. Volando vengo, dicen que nací en el roble, me dicen que soy arriero, porque le chiflo y se para, y les aviento el sombrero, ya verán cómo le para. Ay, 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 mamá, por Dios, que borracho vengo, dígala tu amor, como le brinco, ay, ay, ay.
We caved, we got a beer,
This is more dark.
because why not? When in Xochimilco, right? When in Xochimilco, you gotta have a beer or a giant drink, whatever they're drinking. Try it. Oh my god, it's huge! Come on. What the fuck is this? We don't know. I think it's a beer. Try this.
Salud. No. The second is the prosperity.
Oh,
Work,
okay. It's
economy.
kind of nice. Having a little shopping session. We got lots going on this boat. Having a little drink. Lots going on here.
¿Una otra? ¿Haría todo? Gracias.
So we are now in the Frida Kahlo Museum. We're just walking around. It's actually so crazy inside because you don't expect this gigantic garden, and it literally just looks like a big blue house. And I thought we just go in and it's a house and there's gonna be some paintings, but it is gorgeous. Look at this. I feel like I want to live here. It's so nice, and the garden is huge. There's a little coffee shop here as well if you want to get a little coffee. Oh yeah? Okay, well everybody take one. Yay! Or take a picture first. Here you go. Yes. Mmm.
What is it? It's not a what is it?
I did not hear what it was.
Mm.
Eso se llama and is salsa, gracias, and vegan cheese.
Vegan cheese? Ooh. Okay.
And then is la ayuda or cochinita. The cochinita is made with setas.
Ooh. Molotes, and then what was this one?
I don't know what it is.
It looks delicious. Yay! Yes.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Oh, there you go.
That is my favorite. I can already
This is my highlight. Okay. This stuff, guys.
I can already tell I'm gonna like it. I just know.
The mole.
This, I can put a little sauce on my plate too.
It's all in the sauce.
Saucy.
It's all in the mole.
Oh, that's it.
This is the moment I've been waiting for.
Thank you.
So good, right?
Sure, you got one of the mezcal drinks.
What do you think of the mole? So good. I'm dying. Guys, the whole restaurant's vegan. Don't worry, they're not giving you chicken. Oh, I'm excited. Oh,
Gracias. That looks delicious. It looks fresh. It's looking fresh. Wow. Oh wait, take a picture. Yeah. Okay, we're doing the lime and then whatever sauce that delicious food on top.
Delicious. Which one do you want? You pick. I'll take this one. They look like oyster mushrooms.
I mean, they are.
And then I'm going to take a little limon. All yours. Gotta put some. It's really hot, huh? It just came right out of the fryer. I love mushrooms.
Our mushroom's so good. It is a little hot. I'm Korean though, so we eat burning things. I'm used to it.
Yeah, that's not fresh. Mexican hot sauce is super hot during the summer. Really? Yeah.
Dessert time, we're having tres leches. Ooh. Yay.
That made me use my Spanish a lot more. So, but yeah, that was many years ago.
We're back at Taco Santo.
Round two.
Round two. Taco tour, round two. Unplanned, but we're all very happy about it.
Still undefeated.
Maybe a mushroom?
Permiso. Hola. ¿Qué está dentro de los tacos? Cauliflower? No.
Mushroom.
That's mushroom.
Black mushroom. Oh, jackfruit. Ooh, yes. Quesadillas. Ooh. We thought this was done, but no.
We're not done
There's
yet.
another thing here. We are still on this impromptu, unplanned taco tour number 2, and we are heading to the final destination, Por Siempre Vegana, for more tacos. Yay! Woo woo! We're getting a nice walking tour of this city and this area, which is very nice and beautiful and lively and fantastic. But we went to the wrong Por Siempre Vegana, so we gotta go to the next one. Oh, yay! Hola, por siempre. All right, we are at the taco street food stand. This is the food truck, and they actually have a sit-down spot that's about 5 minutes away. So we came to the right place. They're making our tacos as we speak. Oh, this is onion action. You respect the heat? Okay. So this one is al pastor. This one is something else.
It's like it when it's cold in the jar. It's different when you drink that out of
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my Mexico City travel vlog and spending a day with us on a vegan food tour. Once again, we are currently having a Black Friday week sale of $150 off of the upcoming Mexico City vegan food tour, which is happening in January. So make sure you book your spot using the code Black Friday. Trust me guys, it'll be such an amazing trip and you will have so much fun. So book it now guys, the link is below, and thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!